Hi everyone, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. So today I'm going to share the December mystery bag from Happy Planner. So I finally got it. I ordered it in late December and it took until today for it to come back. So let me open up and show you what I got. So let me get the box out of the way. And it comes with a bag. So the bag is huge. It's a tote. It has two pockets on the side. It has a zipped pocket on the inside, and it's quite large. The zipped pocket on the front of the bag, and that one is huge. I think a planner would fit in there. And you have another huge one inside, and then two big pockets. And then all of this stuff came with the Happy box. So let me show you what I got. So I'm gonna take stuff out. First I got the Planner Babe desk calendar, some notepads, some tiny sticker books, washi sticker book, sticky notes, two books, the winter and the tiny, micro notebook, mini 2020, and pens, and the bag itself. So the bag is huge. So first we have some pens. There's 4 pens. And then we have the planner, I think. So like I said, this is a 2020 12-month mini planner. It is a vertical lined. And I believe this planner in the classic size was called Live with Heart or Love with Heart, something like that. The classic version of this I was giving in my first giveaway, I think in September. So this is what came in my bag. I'm just going to show you the dividers. And I'm just gonna put it back originally because I am not going to be keeping this planner. This will be one of those items that I'm going to be giving away the moment I reach 1,000 subscribers. I'll be giving this away. And I got this micro notebook, and I don't know what to do with it. I've never had one. And it is graph paper with yellow spine, and I'm not sure what I could do with this. I never had a notebook this small. What do you guys do with your micro notebooks? Let me know down below. And I got a desk calendar, the Planner Babe desk calendar, and I'll do a quick flip through for you guys. Yeah, let me switch it to upright and let's start from the beginning. And I had the Planner Babe calendar or planner, but unfortunately it was not my jam, and I ended up giving it away in a giveaway. And now I have a desk one, which I'm not sure if you guys have ideas, but I don't use desk one either. And it can stand just like that. Next up is the winter sticker book, and I have one of these, and I did a flip through on my channel. I'm just quickly flipping through to show you guys what this sticker book looks like. It is beautiful. I used it quite a bit this year. I think it's really gorgeous and beautiful, and I enjoy using it. And then the second one is a tiny sticker book. And that one, I think, is the best book for beginners and for anyone to have. It has both functional and decorative stickers, and it has a little bit of everything. It's a beautiful mix and match of everything. It has icons, it has decoration, it has quotes, it has hydration, movies, food. It has really a little bit of everything. So I really do like this book. Next up are sticky notes. These are foiled, they're beautiful. There's 140 of them. I really do like those sticky notes, and I like that they're on the dashboard already, so I can just snap them into my planner. Okay, next up is the Washi sticker book, and I have a few of these. And the only pet peeve I have with these is that you don't have doubles of the same washi on the same page. Because usually when you're putting washi, you want to put it on both sides of your page. And this one, sometimes when you're searching, they don't even have a double of the same one. So the sticker book is so huge, it's sliding on me because there's stuff right behind it when I open it, so it's pushing it forward. But it's different, it's beautiful. I really love the blue and the dot sparkle. They're just beautiful. The next one are the tiny ones. I have two of those. I received two of those, so I'm just going to do a flip through of one. It's the seasons, holidays and seasons sticker book. And it's perfect on the go, and it has some beautiful stickers in there. I really enjoy those little books. Sometimes I throw them in my purse when I know I'm going to be playing with my planners outside. And then last but not least is that notepad. It's just, one is like blue purple and one is stripe. And then I'm just going to show you how everything fits in a bag now that you know what I got and how much stuff it is, so you can easily judge how roomy this bag is. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you sticking till the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye!